Hi, I am Shubham Chandak. I am a student of 2-year classroom program at FIITJEE Bhopal Center. When I was in class 8th, our school distributed the forms of FTRE to a few students. At that time, I came to know about FIITJEE for the first time. Afterwards, some of my friends joined FIITJEE and they recommended it to me. And when I came in class 10th, then I saw the ad of FTRE in the newspapers, and I also searched for information on the internet. I joined FIITJEE in April 2010 when I was in class 11. I researched a lot before joining FIITJEE, and I chose FIITJEE over other institutes for a few reasons. First of all, I felt that FIITJEE was a national level institute, and hence I could get competition from the students across the country. Also, FIITJEE is a reputed institute, and they always make genuine claims about the results. At FIITJEE, the classroom environment was very competitive. Very tough questions were put to us, and we were asked to solve the problems in as short time as we could. And hence, we got a very competitive as well as healthy environment, which always helped us to perform our best. The FIITJEE teachers were very good at explaining the concepts. They always started at the very basic level, and they gradually elevated us to the IIT JEE level. The teachers always supported us with doubt clearance 24/7, and they never let me have any doubt, however small it might be. And I also feel that they always helped me in clearing the concepts, which is very necessary for an examination like JEE. The quizzes were held after the completion of each chapter, and they helped us to judge our preparation in that particular chapter. The CPPs contained a lot of problems which were necessary for increasing our speed as well as accuracy. The fests were held at an all India level, and hence when the result came, we came to know about our standing at the national level. Each and every question of the fest test was analyzed, as well as the doubts were cleared in the classroom, and the fest test result and analysis helped us to find our weaknesses and work hard upon them. Before joining FIITJEE, I was not sure about my potential, but after I joined FIITJEE, then I came to know that I too have a lot of potential. In the classroom, when I solved the tough problems, or in the tests when I got good ranks, I always felt that my confidence had boosted, and so I worked even hard for the IIT JEE. AITS is undoubtedly the best test series for IIT JEE aspirants across the country. It provides a lot of original questions, and which are of even higher level than the IIT JEE, and thus it helps us in judging our performance at an all India level. The percentiles give us an idea about how we stand among the toppers in the country. I have seen students who join different coachings and different courses, but I don't think that it is at all advisable to join multiple courses at different institutes. I feel that a student does not have enough time and energy so that he can join the different courses. I think focus is the key to success in IIT JEE, and if we join different institutes, then our energy will get dissipated instead of being focused. Therefore, I feel that one should join only a single institute of repute for the IIT JEE preparation. For my junior students, I feel that they should join an institute as early as class 7th, first for the NTSC preparation and then for IIT JEE preparation. As soon as you start your preparation, the more clearer your basics will become, and your fundamentals will become very strong. Before joining an institute, one should always check for the results as well as the consistency. One should look at the top ranks as well as the number of students selected from that institute. After joining FIITJEE, gradually my confidence improved, my concepts became clearer. The teachers at FIITJEE Bhopal Center always supported me, and they helped me in all the ups and downs in the two-year period in which I studied in FIITJEE. I think without FIITJEE, IIT JEE was only a dream, but after joining FIITJEE, it became a reality. Apart from IIT JEE, FIITJEE always offered me help for the different competitions such as KVPY, Olympiads, and therefore I thank FIITJEE sincerely for all the support it has given to me for IIT JEE as well as other exams. FIITJEE always supports school, and it gives support for the CBSE as well. In the class 11th, when the final examinations came, I felt that FIITJEE had taught each and every topic that was coming in the school examinations. Hence, FIITJEE always helps in the school education as well. I scored very well in the CBSE examinations also. The lock of IIT JEE opens with the key of FIITJEE.